Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like
hey confidants, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Confidently Zay, or Zay-O. If you're new to seeing my face, welcome to my channel. Feel free to become a confidant by clicking on that subscribe button. I'll give you a second. Alright, cool. So today's video is going to be totally different than any other video that I've ever done. I was a little hesitant on showing my closet just because, you know, people might judge me. But apparently from, what did I even name that video? From my random questions with my fiance, I'm the messiest. Apparently. My mom would be so disappointed. I am the type of person who I can clean my closet, but when it comes to me going somewhere and trying on an outfit, it's a done deal. Myself and Tyler do not share a closet. Yeah. He has like that section right there. That's his. Everything else is mine. So yeah, we're gonna clean this. Here we go.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like Horizon. With you till the night is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Like if I said I didn't miss your touch, I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you know the truth. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something if my body's good? With you headed in a place on land, I could take you there someday. I'll show you something, give you more than words. With you headed in a place on land, I could take you there someday.
I know you probably see me like cleaning the area and then like putting stuff in other areas, like how I did these hats. I moved these hats from over here and put them right there. It's only because I haven't got into this section yet, so I'm at it over there so I can clean this off first and then put it back. So yeah.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like Horizon. With you till the night is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Like if I said I didn't miss your touch, I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you know the truth. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something if my body's good? With you headed in a place on land, I could take you there someday. I'll show you something, give you more than words. With you headed in a place on land, I could take you there someday. Take you there.
weird angle, but I'm finally done cleaning my closet. This is the finished product. I hope it looks different than before. I don't know if you can actually tell. It took me probably like 3 hours because I actually refolded things and just reorganized things. I didn't color sequence any of my clothes because I'm too grown for that. I used to do that when I was younger, but I organize it from the material or the article of clothing that it is. So if it's a collared shirt, I put it together. If it's a dress, I put them all together. If they're jackets, I put them all together. Don't nobody got time to just color coordinate everything, you know? I still have some socks that I probably need to put together and match, but for the most part, I'm done. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, become a confidant by clicking on that subscribe button. Don't know when this video is gonna go up, but I'm sure it is gonna go up during the holiday season. So happy holidays to you and yours. Make sure you love on your family. I'm out. Peace.